You're recording. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. My name is Luda, aka Nitty Life, and today we're gonna do a short vlog of me showing what I'm working on and plans that I have for Christmas. So to start with, I'm working with this fun scarf that I found a tutorial on. So two sides are different. We are almost there. So I have these huge big ball of yarn that I got from Hobby Yarn, and they're huge, so it's perfect for scarf. I'm not a big fan of the texture. It is acrylic. So yeah, that's one of my projects that I need to finish. So hopefully in this vlog I will finish it. Pray. Yesterday I started working on a hat for my mom for Christmas. I am knitting a cable knit. That's another project. Third thing is I made these snowflake granny squares that I want to make into a summer top, because for Christmas I'm gonna have people from Florida and California that don't need winter clothes, but I think a top would be really fun for them. So I'm gonna make that out of it. And one more. Last one, I'm working on a custom hood for a customer. She picked light green with dark green on one side, light blue with dark blue on the other side, and then turquoise and light blue in the middle. So it's gonna be really fun. So let's continue working on our projects and catch up throughout the day. Hey guys, just want to do a quick update. So I was in the office. I finished a little bit of the hood, but I ran out of black yarn. So now I'm on my deck, chilling and just working more on my mom's hat. But there's some gossip at the apartment if you want to hear. So there was this lady in the cubicle, and she kind of came out to look who's outside, and it was just me. Then she went back in, and then she called her like power company, and she was just like, she was crying to them because of her bill, so they couldn't help her. And then she, realized like, okay, they can help me. So then she hung up, and then she called again like 20 minutes later. So I don't know, like, do you think it was a fake cry, or I don't know, but it was interesting. Anyway, we're gonna continue knitting now, and then I'll catch you guys up throughout the day. We're gonna make some really good chicken later, so let's go. Coke in it. We've never made it with Coke. Let's see what Eli
Not
thinks.
the Coke that everyone else is thinking.
Oh yeah, Coca-Cola. They already saw the footage. Yeah, do we make it with Coke from now on?
Yeah.
Wow, Nolan actually ate a lot already, babe. Look. Good job, Nolan. Yay. Ball's empty. Good morning, guys. Today is day 2. Oh, how's your potty training going?
Oh no!
Are you doing good?
Oh no! What happened?
You're recording.
Okay.
Today, my goal is to finish this hood and send pictures and videos to the customer. She bought 2 hoods. This is the custom one, and then she bought the green one that I already made. And I have my doctor appointment today, so I am 1 month away now from my due date. And so now there's a new change where you have to go every week to see your doctor, which is really annoying. Just to check your blood pressure, which I'm like really healthy, but she said even healthy people could get this. So I was like, ugh. So anyway, we'll go do that in Denver. I'll take you guys along, but first let's go eat some tater tots and drink some yerba. We are on our way to my appointment. I got my crochet hood. No one's in the back, so I'll keep you updated throughout the day. After my appointment, we're gonna stop at Ethiopian store and get some lentils and some Ethiopian spices and food. So I'm super excited, and then we're gonna make some Ethiopian dishes today.
Daddy.
That's me. Appointment was good. My blood pressure was good. Everything looked good. My belly, it is 1 centimeter bigger than it's the size that it's supposed to be, which means literally nothing. So yeah, so everything was good. Now we are gonna go to the Ethiopian market in Aurora, Denver. So I'll take you guys along and we'll buy some goodies. Here's some stuff we got at the Ethiopian market, some injera and lentils, because in a grocery store they cost so much. They're in the back. We got 4 pounds of red lentils, and they were so much cheaper than grocery store like King Supers, because those little bag literally cost $12, guys. It's insane. I'm gonna have some coffee, and then I'm actually gonna meet my friend to go ride the Peloton at the gym. So go do a little workout, and then come back and continue crocheting the hood because we really need to get that done today. And I've had some progress last night. My mom's hat. Let me show you what it looks. Looks really good. I'm so excited. So here it is, and I'm at the point where I'm about to start the cable knitting. So I'm so excited. Let's go. Before the gym, I'm trying to figure out what yarn to get from Hobby Yarn because I have another campaign that's not due for a while, but the goal of the campaign is to do bridesmaids, dresses, cover-ups, or for like the wedding. And so I'm trying to pick yarn. So I have a lot of options. And then I want to make a dress. So I'm super excited, but there's so many choices. I just don't know because I think we want to stay in the cream color because it's wedding, but we're not getting married. So it's like, it's okay if we throw like light. I don't know. This is what I have so far. This is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking of something like this, right? For the dress. There is this beautiful yarn that they have, but I also really kind of want to play around with this glittery yarn. And the one big thing, I want to make a different pattern. So, and this is the campaign. So it kind of needs to, follow these type of, inspiration. And so let's see what I come up with. My friend just gave me this cute plant that's only in the water, so hopefully I don't kill it. So, just came back from the gym, and the first thing I had was ice cream. Guilty. So, now I'm getting ready for Ethiopian food. I'm just gonna go ahead. Eli's actually running right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the onions because Ethiopian dishes use like 4 or 5 onions. Ton of garlic, ginger, spices, which is so amazing. And so I'm just gonna get a head start and cut up some onions and listen to my audiobook, which is insane. And I'm listening to Never Lie by Frida McFadden. I think I said that right. She is like a mystery crime writer, I would say. So, and the books are pretty short. I'm listening it on the Libby app, which you get for free with your library. So definitely check that out. You get nice free books. And yeah, so I've been waiting for this one for a while. It was recommended. It's by this YouTuber I watched. So yeah, well, let's cook and listen to the audio. 7 a.m. Nolan is awake. I'm so tired. Let's go make some tea and get straight back into work. I already made him breakfast, so. Okay, just want to do a quick update. It's 10:49 and I finished the ribbing. She wanted it in dark green, which I think looks great. So now I'm just gonna make the string, and then again we still have a lot of ends to tie. So let's keep going, and then I'm gonna go to the office when Nolan naps and take some pictures, do some videos, and then we should be ready to send to the buyer. Update, guys, it is noon. I just put Nolan to nap, so I'm going to finish making the chain for the hood, and then I'm gonna go to the office and take some pictures, send it to the buyer, go to the gym, and then I think I'm gonna make completely a new project because I don't want to take my mom's hat to the gym because it is cable knit, so it's gonna be very hard for me to like work out and knit. And then what's the other project I'm working on? Oh, the scarf. The scarf is just too long now. Like, it's good. I'm making a lot of progress, but it's so long, like I can't make it. So I'm gonna make a scooty is the name of the thing that I'm making. I love this scarf. It just takes forever, so repetitive. But it's gonna be so worth it, and it's gonna be perfect for the market. So we're gonna make a scooty, which is a hood and a scarf. So I'm so excited. So I need to pick colors. So while I'm crocheting this, I'm gonna think of what colors I want to make. So let's keep going, and I'll update you throughout the day. Quick update. I finished the hood and the customer loved it. So I'll be shipping it later today. I'm going to take another video of the helmet on it. So now let's continue. And I just went to the gym, which is good. So now let's continue working on my mom's Christmas present for the knitted hat. Let's start working on the cable stitches and see how far we get. Look at this sunset, guys. That's beautiful.
Oh
Oh no, look at the sunset.
It's Halloween. It's Halloween.
No, there's no Halloween, no.
Halloween.
I don't even know what day it is, but my family was over. We just went to an Indian restaurant. No one is napping. I need to start getting stuff done because I just got 2 emails for the December markets and I haven't made any hats. So I need to start making hats ASAP because that sold really well last year for Christmas. And so, but check this out. My dad built a bassinet for baby Noah. I'm so excited. So we are definitely getting ready. The new arrival. So let's go stop procrastinating. Let's go make some hats. Oh, but we still are making a hat for my mom. Let's go finish that one right now. And then I'm going to finish the vlog with that. And then Indian food. Ooh. And then I will start making hats. I had to go downstairs and get some coffee. I was literally dying. But here's the progress of the beanie. This is actually the back. I'm just about to switch over. So we are decreasing now the cable stitch. It looks so nice. I think my mom will be really happy. And it's so soft. I love this yarn. This is We Are the Knitters. I got this yarn as a project. So I'm super excited. I think I can make 2 of them, honestly. This is still a lot of yarn left. So let's keep going. looks so small. I haven't washed it and flattened it yet. It looks so small. But let's see. Seemed like it did okay. I think I did okay closing it up. Wow. I think I could have made it a little bit longer on the ribbing side, but I think it's really cute. I think she will like it. So now what I need to do is actually cut this yarn and then let's go wash the beanie, lay it flat, and put my logo on it, Nitty Life. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to finish the video with this funky looking top that I am currently making for the December market because I'm gonna have people from Florida and California where the weather doesn't get that cold, so they ask for tops during Christmas. So I got this like cute snowflakes. Gotta do a lot of work for it still. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys I hope you liked my vlog, and I'll catch you guys later.